Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel! If you read driving a Mercedes-Benz, and you've suddenly seen a bunch of warning lights pop up on your dashboard, like the ESP, or traction control lights, and your scanner is showing the fault code U0122, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into what this code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how to fix Italiano. So, what exactly is U0122? In simple terms, it means your vehicle's main computer, or one of its other control modules, has lost communication with the anti-lock braking system. Or ABS module. This is a big deal, because the ABS module is the brain behind several crucial safety systems, including your anti-lock brakes, electronic stability program, and traction control. When communication is lost, these systems get disabled, and that's why you see all those warning lights. Think of it like this. Your car's modules are all part of a team, constantly talking to each other over a network called the CAN bus. If the ABS module suddenly goes silent, the other modules get worried and flag the U0122 code to let you know something is wrong. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The number one culprit is often a simple power supply issue to the ABS module. This could be due to a blown fuse, a bad relay, or corroded wiring. Fuses are the first thing you should check. Grab your owner's manual, find the fuse box diagram for the ABS system, and inspect the relevant fuses. Sometimes there are multiple fuses for the ABS, so check them all. A simple visual check or a multimeter test can tell you if a fuse is blown. If the fuses are okay, the next thing to look at is the wiring and connectors going to the ABS module itself. The module is usually located in the engine bay, attached to the hydraulic brake pump. Over time, wires can get damaged from heat, vibration, or moisture. Look for any signs of corrosion, especially on the connector pins. A little bit of green or white crust can be enough to disrupt the connection. If you find any, use a specialized contact cleaner and a small brush to clean it up thoroughly. Another potential cause is a faulty CAN bus line. The CAN bus is a pair of twisted wires that connects all the modules. If one of these wires gets shorted to ground, shorted to power, or breaks, it can take the whole network down, or just disrupt communication with the ABS module. Diagnosing a CAN bus issue can be a bit more complex and usually requires a multimeter or an oscilloscope to check for the correct voltage and signal patterns on the CAN high and CAN low wires. And of course, there's the possibility that the ABS module itself has failed. This is usually the last thing to consider after you've ruled out all the simpler and cheaper possibilities. These modules are complex electronic units. An internal failure can happen. If you suspect the module is bad, you have a few options. You can buy a brand new one from the dealership, which can be quite expensive. A more budget-friendly option is to get a used one from a salvage yard, but make sure it's compatible with your car's VIN. Often, these used modules need to be programmed or coded to your specific vehicle. The third option, and one that's gaining popularity, is to send your original module to a specialized repair service. They can often fix the internal fault for a fraction of the cost of a new unit. And the best part is, it usually doesn't require any reprogramming since it's your original module. So, to recap the diagnostic steps, start with the easy stuff. Check all the fuses related to the ABS system. Then, move on to a visual inspection of the wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion. If everything looks good, you might need to perform more advanced checks on the CAN bus wiring. And if all else fails, it's likely time to look at repairing or replacing the ABS module itself. Fixing a U0122 code can seem daunting, but by following a logical, step-by-step process, you can often pinpoint the problem without just throwing parts at it. Taking care of this issue is critical for your safety, as it restores your car's essential braking and stability features. I hope this guide was helpful. If you've dealt with this code before, share your experience in the comments below. What was the fix for you? Your story could help someone else out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more DIY car repair tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.